Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Baby Artsplay. I'm Dana, and welcome to our workshop. We'll be focusing on social skills. In the following activities, you and your little one would have fun mimicking some positive interactions to help learn with our positive social skills. So please join along with me, and caregivers and all the parents and caregivers, please participate along and sing along, move along, so we all can see each other's awesomeness. And if you can, keep your cameras on so that our babies and little ones can see each other's faces. Okay, so we're gonna start with just a little song to say good morning. Okay, here we go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Can you say good morning? Good morning. Here we go. Good morning, hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good job. Can you say good morning again? Good morning. If you can wave. Can wave to say hello. Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning. How are you? Early in the morning, I say hello. And how are you? Good morning, hello. And how are you? Early in the morning, we say hello. How are you? Good morning, hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, we say good morning, hello, and how are you? Okay, guys, good morning, hello, how are you? Can I get some hand waves? Hello. Okay, so next we're gonna use our hands. Can you put your hands up? 2 hands up. Can you wiggle your fingers? Let's crawl them up high and down low. Can you say hi? Move your hands high and down low. High and low. Good job. Let's shake them out. Let's shake them out. We're gonna shake them out. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. Let's do it again. Here we go. Shake, 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 freeze. Can we shake them fast? Shake them really, really fast. And shake them so slow. So slow. How about fast again? Here we go. Fast, really, really fast. And so slow. Okay, good job. I think your hands are ready. Now let's sing the hello song. 1 hand up, 2 hands up. Okay, let's put our hands up. Wiggle your fingers. Let me know that you're ready. Hey, good job. Here we go. Follow along with me. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands down. Let's sing it again. Hands are up. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands are down. Can everyone say hello? Hello. Let's sing it a few more times. Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands are on your head. Let's do it again. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands on your head. One more time, just for fun. Here we go. Hands are up. Make sure your hands are up, just like mine. Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Hands are down. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay, for our next activity, we're going to focus again, right, on our social skills. So caregivers, we know that social skills are the behaviors that allow for positive interactions, those positive social skills. So some social skills are taught through you and your little one, but most also taught through just play and story time and other life experiences with your little one. So like everything else, let's practice, practice, practice to improve our social skills, right? So let's start. Do you know the very special word? Do you know that there's a special word? And it is, let's see if you know. Please, please. Yeah, so now, do you know there's the second most special word there is? Do you know? And it is thank you. So we're going to learn next how to sign please and thank you. Okay, caregivers, please mimic me so your kids can follow along and mimic your positive behaviors. Okay, here we go. So we put our hands to our chest and rub, little ones. We can rub here to say thank you. I'm sorry, please, please. And if we do tap our chin and bring it forward, it means thank you. Let's try it again. Please. Everyone say please, please, and thank you. Let's try it again. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. So those words are so important, right? That's our special words. So when you're receiving something or you're asking for something, you can say please and thank you. Okay, so let's sing our please and thank you song. Here we go. Let's start off with a hand on our chest. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. I can sign them with my hands. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. I can sign them with my hands. Please, can I see please again? Please and thank you. 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 I can sign them with my hands. When you ask and receive, you should say please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Let's do it again. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. I can sign them with my hands. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. I can sign them with my hands. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. When you ask and receive, you should say please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Good job, good job. So those were the sign language for please and thank you. These behaviors are will help create very positive interactions with other kids. So parents and caregivers, whenever you're just singing or you're out and about, you can also sing the song at any time to remind your little ones to say please and thank you to help improve their social skills. But if you also just make sure that you mimic the actions, the rub of the chest and the pull away from the chin to say please and thank you, and they'll mimic your positive actions. So they'll have positive behavior and positive social skills. Okay, So next we'll take a look at our featured art. Okay, wow, let's take a look at our feature art. Our art is by Laura Anderson Batar with the Moko Junbei Kilimbaharu School of Art and Culture and Ronald Guy James. This art is named Dogon, which was created in 2005. Wow, let's take a look at this. This artwork has a lot of textures on it. First, we can look at the top part, the head. This is a very fancy headpiece. If you can put your hands on your head and imagine we have that beautiful headpiece. Do you see the stripes, the colors of red and brown? Okay, and if we keep looking down, there is some shingles or raffia, it's called raffia, and some recycled cardboard on this paper mache. And when you move this material, it shakes, it makes a lot of movement. Yes, and remember when we shake our hands, can you shake your hands really, really fast like the raffia? Yes, this is such a beautiful work of art. It's very tall, and if you can imagine having on this work, it should make you feel so good. And if you can hold your arms out wide, just like this artwork, and give yourself a big, big, big hug. Okay, this is an artwork called Dogon. It was created in 2005. Okay, guys, now before we go, we'll do one more exercise with our hands since we did some sign language. We'll just move our hands with me. So if you can put your hands up, 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 wiggle your fingers, let me know that you're ready. We'll do a fast activity to warm those hands up and shake them and move them. Caregivers, move along. Here we go. One hand up and two hands up. Here we go. We're gonna open them and close them. Let's try open and close. Let's go up and go down. Go up and down and round and round and round and round and freeze. Let's try it again. Open and close. Open and close. Good job. Up and down and up and down and round and round and round and freeze. Okay, let's sing a little song. Here we go. Open, close them, open, close them. Make your hands go clap, clap, clap. Open, close them, open, close them. Make your hands go clap, clap, clap. Open, close them, open, close them. Make your hands go clap, clap, clap. Up and down it, up and down it. Make your hands go clap, clap, clap. Again, up and down it, up and down it. Make your hands go clap, clap, clap. Round and round, round and round and round and round and make your hands go clap, clap, clap. Round and round and round and round and make your hands go clap, clap, clap. Last time. Round and round and round and round and make your hands go clap, clap, clap. Good job, guys. Now we've come to the end of our session, but let's sing our goodbye song. But before we sing our goodbye song, let's go over our sign language for today. We have please. Can you make the sign of please? Please. And thank you. Can you do thank you? Thank you. Let's try it again. Please and thank you. One more time. Please. Good job, guys. Good job. And thank you. Thank you guys for joining me today. Let's sing our goodbye song. One hand up, two hands up. Wiggle those fingers. Good job. Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Hands down. Do it again. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Hands are down. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Hands on your head. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Hands or down. Good job, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for joining me today. And parents, keep signing their please and thank you. And we'll see you guys next time.